Ltd, and today is all about celebrations. I'm going to share with you a recipe that you will make if you had about 5 minutes to impress someone that you've never met. Now, if I had a chance to make something for someone that I'd never met, I'd think about making something for Sir Lewis Hamilton, and I will make for him coconut muffins. So let's go over the ingredients to this dish. We have 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of brown sugar. If you have white sugar, you can use that. 1 cup of grated coconut. If you don't have the fresh coconut that you can grate on your own, you can buy the grated coconut already in the frozen section in your supermarket. 1 cup of milk. I'm using almond milk, but you can use any kind of milk that you want. 110 grams of softened butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Our first step is to add our dry ingredients together. So we're going to put our flour, then we're going to add our baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And I'm going to use a whisk just to make sure everything is fully incorporated. Then we're going to set this aside and we're going to get ready to mix our wet ingredients. Our next step is to add our butter and sugar together. We're going to cream them. So in a large bowl, we're going to add the sugar, then we're going to add our softened butter, and then we're going to cream it. Now we're going to add the eggs. I would have cracked the eggs off camera, so we're going to add the eggs one at a time just so we can incorporate them. Now we're going to add the last egg, and we're going to add our vanilla extract, and we're going to cream again. Now we're going to add the flour. We would have already mixed the baking powder and baking soda and salt into our flour mixture. Now we're going to add it, but we're not going to add it all together. We're going to add a little at a time, and then we're going to cream. This is the last bit of flour, so we're going to add this, and as our mixture is getting a little tight, it's at this stage that we start to add the milk. Now our mixture is almost finished. We're going to add the coconut, and then we're going to add the remaining milk and mix. Remember, if you really want to impress someone, this is a taste of heaven. Now our mixture is almost done. Just use a spatula to make sure you scrape down the sides of the bowl because we want everything to be fully incorporated. Now it's at this stage, we're going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 250 degrees because we're going to get ready to put these amazing celebratory coconut muffins to bake in a matter of minutes. Our batter is now ready. It's just to put it into our muffin pans and get ready to bake. Growing up, I always loved getting the spatula or the spoon from my mom just so I can get my chance to taste the batter before the bread was ready. Now we're going to spoon some of it into the muffin tin, and then we're going to allow them to bake. Remember, if you want to impress someone, especially someone that you've never met, a little taste of heaven always works. Now it's time to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it's golden brown. muffins are now done. I have them cool in here for a few minutes, then we're going to get ready to taste. A little taste of heaven. So good. You can definitely taste the coconut coming through. Now, if you don't have a 7-time world champion to impress, but you just want a good dessert, coconut muffins. Now, you need to try it. Now, if you enjoyed this dessert, you need to look over here and click on my other desserts. And once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember, leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.